Guys, so I'm gonna show you how I do my scarf. Normally I do just like this when I'm in a hurry, like that. So very simple, like that. This is what I do, and that's it. Okay, and another way of doing it is, so you get a long scarf, right? You just fold it in two. Like that. First, you're gonna do this one first. Next, you twist it. You're gonna twist it, and then your hand here, and then the other one. So yeah. So this is the other way that I'm doing my scarf. And it's crazy. And that's it. Next one is going to be more simple, right? Next, swirl around. That's it. And other way too is you can do this one like that. Do it too as well. That's the fourth one. Okay, that's it.